My name's Amy from Anchor Cars, and today I'm going to be taking you through this vehicle. If you do have any questions following on from the video, please don't hesitate to give us a call on the number shown above, and our salesman will be more than happy to go through those with you. This is the 2017 Land Rover Discovery Sport. This vehicle has done just over 62,000 miles. It has an automatic transmission and a diesel fuel type. As we approach the boot, we can see that it comes with 7 seats in total. The boot is also electric. On the steering wheel, we have features such as cruise control and voice control. We also have automatic wipers, automatic headlights, and a keyless ignition. On the screen, we can access our eco data, valet mode, navigation, and climate control. If we put the vehicle into reverse, we can see that it comes with a parking camera with parking sensors. As we go into the back of the vehicle, we can see that it has a full leather interior, as well as a panoramic roof. Thank you for watching the video. Our opening hours are Monday to Friday 9 till 6, Saturday 9 till 5, and Sunday 10 till 4. I'll also be displaying our contact details on the screen for you now.